Hi, Jake. How's your day going?
Hey, Emma, it's been pretty good. I finally had some free time to enjoy my hobbies.
That sounds nice. What hobbies do you have?
I'm really into photography. I love going out to take pictures of landscapes and nature. It's so relaxing. What about you?
That's cool. I've always wanted to try photography. As for me, I love painting. It helps me express myself and unwind after a long day.
That's awesome. Do you paint landscapes, portraits, or something else?
Mostly landscapes, but I've been experimenting with abstract art recently. It's fun to play with colors and textures. Do you ever take pictures of people, or is it mostly nature?
Mostly nature, but I've done some portraits for friends. It's challenging, but rewarding. Do you sell your paintings or just keep them for yourself?
I've sold a few, but most of the time I paint for fun. Do you ever print or frame your photos?
Yes, I framed a few of my best shots. It's nice to see them on the wall. By the way, do you have any other hobbies besides painting?
Yes, I also love gardening. There's something satisfying about growing your own plants and flowers.
That's amazing. I've always wanted to try gardening, but I'm not sure I have a green thumb. What do you grow?
A little bit of everything: flowers, herbs, and even some vegetables. It's not as hard as it seems. I could give you some tips if you're interested.
That would be great. Gardening sounds like a peaceful hobby. For me, I also enjoy hiking. It goes well with my love for photography.
Hiking is such a great way to stay active and connect with nature. Do you go hiking often?
I try to go at least once a month. It's a nice escape from the city. Have you ever tried hiking?
I have, but not very often. I'd love to do it more. Maybe you can recommend some good trails?
Sure. There's a beautiful trail about an hour from here. It has amazing views. We could even plan a hike together sometime.
That sounds like a fun idea. It's always nice to combine hobbies with friends.
I agree. Hobbies make life so much more enjoyable. They're a great way to relax and recharge.
Absolutely. Well, I'd better get going, but it was great talking about hobbies with you.
Same here, Emma. Let's catch up again soon and maybe plan that hike.
Definitely. Have a great day, Jake.
You too, Emma. Bye.